Today we're going to be unboxing this 250th anniversary edition of Swiss Army knife. So let's check out the inside. Happy birthday, America. So when we open the box, you can see that the knife here is in a beautiful red, white, and blue. Okay, we turn actually this way here. It's in a beautiful red, white, and blue with stars, and of course the Swiss Army Victorinox logo. So I take it out of its packaging, and it has a nice heft to it. Okay, the other side here says America's 250th. Okay, so it has the little key thing here. So this knife really has a nice weight to it. All right, and this is Victorinox is celebrating America's Semiquincentennial. So let's open up this knife and check out the various blades. The first blade we're going to open up is the main blade. Okay, and on here you can see it has the inscription that says life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And on the other side here, it is numbered. This one is 1,463 of 1776 knives made. So that is it. Only 1,776 knives were made, and this one is numbered 1463. So we can open up the rest of the knife. Okay. And we can see here everything this Alox has. All right, I think there's one more here. All right, so there we go. We've now completely opened up this knife. And again, you could see here America's 250th. And on this side, we have the red, white, and blue with the stars, the Victorinox logo. And we turn it this way, we can read life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And let's see if we can get that really showing in here without getting the light reflecting. There we go. Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. All right, so this knife here is going to be set along my Navy wall of honor. As you can see here, fold this up. Okay. And I think we're going to place this knife in a place of honor right here above the American flag on my Navy wall. And just to zoom out, we can kind of see what the Navy wall here has. And you can see here, we have the ship I was on, the USS Niagara Falls. I got my medal rack, certificate of crossing the equator, shellback, my K-bar knife, American flag, and not to be outdone, what better way than to have Jack Daniels later this evening. All right,